guys, made it to Vegas. Now you gotta get to baggage claim. Oh boy, what a flight. Now waiting for the tram. Interesting. It's onboard audio, so we'll see how well this does. So once we get the bags, once I get the bags, gotta get the rental car or wherever that is in here, and we'll see. Hopefully the audio is picking up pretty good. Can't really tell right now, but as low light will get, I suppose. But we'll see. Guys, you're gonna want to take a look at this. So really awesome room accommodations that I have here. Beautiful area. I mean, I'm just super shocked and surprised. If you hear any noises in the background, it's just from the echo in the room. Air conditioning, of course, the room isn't sound treated or anything like that. But this is already looking to be a phenomenal trip, long-ish kind of flight. So otherwise, everything went well. Got the car, got the room, got everything together. And pretty nice little setup that I have here. So any videos that you see coming out of this location will be coming from Las Vegas. So hope to see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned because there's definitely more to come.